Hi, what's going on YouTube? This is me Dishan Hormuz and back with another hot crypto project. Today I just want to talk about crypto.com and I want to give you complete detail about this one project and all the related link about this one project you will be getting in the video description, so you can check them all one by one before you start. A small disclaimer: this is not going to be any investment advice. My job is to find and introduce you about most trusted and reliable project. Always do your own research before investing in any project. And please make sure if you are on YouTube channel, so please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss any video from Dishan Hormuz. So let's get started recording crypto.com. Basically, what is crypto.com? You can see what is the crypto.com coin CRO. So first of all, I just want to give you some important detail about this CRO because this is a token of the crypto.com app. If you look to crypto.com coin is the native cryptocurrency token of crypto.com chain, a decentralized open source blockchain developed by the crypto.com payment, trading and financial services company. And if you look, crypto.com chain is one of the products in crypto.com lineup of solution designed to accelerate the global adoptions of cryptocurrencies as a means of increasing personal control over money. And if you look to safeguarding user data and protecting user identities, the CRO blockchain service primarily as a vehicle that power the crypto.com mobile payments apps. In the future, crypto.com plans to expand the reach of the CRO platform to power its other products as well as. And CRO want to live on December 2018. And this is some detail about who are the founder of this one project. But I just want to give you some important detail from here. You can see if you look to the main community of this one project, you can see it is almost 1.8 million followers. This is too much pretty good for this one project. And if you look, you can see right over here, this is also clear from the statistics. And if you look, you can see this is a centralized exchange and medium of exchange and Cosmos ecosystem, mobiles and payments. Basically, if you want to download the app of crypto.com, you can also download it easily. And if you have any issue in registrations, you simply place the comment in the comments box. I will be try my best and I will give you soon as possible reply on your comments. After that, if you look to the all-time high of this one project, you can see if you look, all-time high of this one project is almost 0.9698. It is almost 54.18% off right now. And this is just a 3 month ago. And if you look to all-time low, this is just a 3 year ago, and they just want to up almost 3,768.26%. so means that if you look to this one project, you can see there's a many listing on this one project, and all the almost users just want to turn to the crypto.com. And this is a main token of the crypto.com CRO. So if you want to buy CRO for now, it is a special project for 2022. So basically, if you want to participate in that, you will be get a huge return from that side. And if you want to buy the CROs, you can simply buy CRO from KuCoin and Hubi Global, FTX and Hubi Global and get.io and as well as Coinbase. So you can simply buy this one project easily from this one places. And if you want to get price prediction about this one project, I will be upload second video about this one project, how can where is the support of this one project and what is the resistance of this one project. After that, I just want to go to the main site of this one project. You can see right over here, if you look to the main site of this one project, you can also indicate from the main title the world fastest growing crypto app. And you can see joined 10 million plus user buying and selling 250 plus cryptocurrencies as a true cost. Spend with the cryptocurrencies as a code and get up to 8% back. Grow your portfolio by receiving reward up to 14.5% on your crypto assets. And this is a app who if you want to buy from in trades, you simply buy from Play Store. If you want to buy from iPhone mobiles, you simply download this one app from iOS easily. And if you look, this is the look of this one project. It is also too much flexible like Binance. If you want to join that, so I'll be uploading separate video about this one project, how can you register in this one project. And there's also different type of events, but I just want to clear these events in at the last of this video. And you can see securely buy and sell, store and send and track. Buy crypto at a true cost, buy and sell to 250 plus cryptocurrency with the 20 plus fiat currencies using bank transfer or user credit and debit card. And if you look, the only card you need, enjoy up to 8% back of all spending with your sleek pure metal card, no annual fees, top up with fiat or cryptocurrencies. And this is some detail about crypto on deposit, crypto on rewards, and you can see choose from 40 plus cryptocurrencies and stable coins, and up to 14.5% PA on cryptos and up to 14% PA on stable coins. And you can see trade with confidence on the world fastest and most secure crypto exchange. And this is if you want to do trading on laptop, you can also use this one exchange as well as for laptop. And this is also you can also use this one app on mobile. You can see on App Store. You can simply download on the App Store, and you can also download this one app from Google Play easily. And if you look to, there's some detail about liquidity and speed and security. Deep ordered book liquidity in all market condition, and 2.7 million TPS matching engine for 50 microsecond core latency. And if you look to security, this is some detail about security, but it is 100% secured project, because you can see right over here, if you look, this is also clarified from Certix. And if you look to this one, this is also working on Solana blockchain and Cosmos, and as well as on Ethereum blockchain. But if you look to DeFi, made simple DeFi wallet, your keys, your cryptos, DeFi earn no lockup period and stable return, DeFi swap DeFi coins and earn triple yield. So this is also too much pretty good for that. And if you look to cryptocurrencies in every wallet, there is some detail about cryptocurrencies in every wallet. You can see founded in 2016, team of 3,000 and user 10 million, insurance coverage is 750 millions. And this is some detail about, you can also study about more. But if you look, you can see there is a different type of projects of NFTs. You can also participate in this one events. I just want to go to this one site. You can see right over here. If you look to the buying and sell and showcase NFTs, if you want to participate in that, this is an upcoming on February 4/24. But if you look, you can see right over here. I just want to scroll down, scroll on side, and you can see this is sold out on 18 February. And after that, you can see this is upcoming project on 21 February, the Vault. And this is just want to scroll down, and this is on 22 February. This is also upcoming. And Hope of Goldie, this is also on 23 February. So you can also participate in different type of NFTs. But if you want to never miss any drop from that site, you subscribe for the latest news, drop and collectibles. Basically, you simply place your email right over here. After it, simply click on the subscribe button. If you do that, after it, you will be easily able to create an account, or you will be never miss any type of update from that side. You will be easily get different type of notification from that side, like rewards and airdrops, giveaways as well as. So you will be never miss any latest news from that side. So simply click on that. You will be all notification receive on your email address. But if you want to create account on this one app, so you will place the link in the description box. So you simply click on that. After you will be able to create account in this one Crypto.com exchange, because this is too much important for us. And this is all detail about this one project. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, so please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon. And please, if you want to create account on this one exchange, so I will be place the link in the description box. So you simply click on that. After you will be able to easy sign up with this one Crypto.com exchange easily. So this is all detail about this one project. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.